Welcome to the Top Best. The best home improvement tools is probably one of the most essential investments any homeowner or DIY enthusiast can make, transforming daunting renovation projects into manageable and even enjoyable tasks. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or just starting to tackle those weekend warrior projects around the house, having the right set of reliable, high-quality tools can be the difference between a frustrating ordeal and a successful, satisfying completion, ultimately saving you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Number 5. Keter Heavy Duty Folding Workbench. Need a workspace in a hurry? This portable workbench sets up in just 30 seconds, no assembly required. It's perfect for all your DIY projects, home improvements, or even on the job site. Tackle your toughest tasks with confidence. This work table boasts a large surface that can support up to 1,000 pounds. Plus, with included clamps, you can keep your materials securely in place. From woodworking to miter saws, this workbench is incredibly versatile. Its quick folding design makes storage and transport a breeze, so you can set up and pack up in no time. Built to last, this workbench is constructed from weather-resistant materials with sturdy aluminum legs. It's designed to resist rust, peeling, and dents, ensuring reliable performance anywhere. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions inspired by your life. We design products to make your everyday tasks easier and better, both inside and outside your home. What we like. Need a sturdy workspace that sets up in a flash? This workbench is your answer. Its robust construction handles heavy loads, and it's built to last in any condition. If you're looking for a reliable, portable solution for your garage, woodworking projects, or even outdoor tasks, this is the one to consider. What people say. The drill has a powerful motor that makes quick work of tough jobs. The ergonomic design of the hammer provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The saw features a laser guide for precise cuts, ensuring accuracy every time. Number 4. Katerk 6PCS 1/4-inch hex shank screwdriver bit holder. Introducing a set of screwdriver bit holders designed for quick and easy bit changes. Simply push to unlock and swap bits effortlessly. These holders are designed for standard 1/4-inch hex shank bits. They work seamlessly with most electric and handheld screwdrivers, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. Each holder features a secure backup nut and a steel ball design. This ensures your bits are locked firmly in place, capable of holding significant weight without slipping. Change bits with just one hand, streamlining your work. The multicolor design also helps you quickly identify the right bit for the job. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, these holders are both lightweight and built to last. Their compact size makes them easy to carry and attach to your tools. Looking for a practical gift? These bit holders are ideal for anyone involved in construction or electrical work, making them a great stocking stuffer or tool gift. What we like. Tired of fumbling with drill bits? This handy holder makes bit changes a breeze, even with one hand. Its lightweight and portable design means you can keep it right on your keychain. If you're a handyman or DIYer who values efficiency and convenience on the go, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The drill has a powerful motor that makes quick work of tough jobs. The ergonomic design of the hammer provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The saw's adjustable depth setting allows for precise cuts in various materials. Number 3. Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. Introducing the Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. Load your own paint for perfect color matching. Its easy-to-fill design means no brushes or rollers are needed for a quick and convenient touch-up. This easy-to-clean tool is perfect for quick repairs in any living space. Fix scuffs, dings, and scratches, even in tricky spots, or add a professional finish to your creative projects. Our patented vacuum-sealed system keeps your paint fresh for up to 7 years. Say goodbye to dried-out paint and messy brushes. This tool eliminates waste and simplifies your painting tasks. Achieve smooth, mess-free application with the twist control tip. The fine tip applicator ensures clean, even coverage without drips or splatters, giving you precise results every time. This DIY paint pen comes with a reusable syringe for long-term use. It works on virtually any surface, making it a trusted choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. Dealing with small paint touch-ups can be a hassle. This pen allows you to refill it with your exact wall paint, ensuring a perfect match every time. The patented seal keeps paint fresh for years, and its precision tip makes application clean and easy. If you want a simple, waste-free way to fix scuffs and dings without the mess of traditional tools, this is for you. What people say. It works as indicated, it's easy to use and is a great invention. It covered nicks and scratches on my walls and my painted concrete countertops. These pens are genius. Using them is incredibly simple and convenient. The brush tips seem to be high quality and rinse clean easily. No drips, no splatters, which is a big win for me since I usually make a mess with regular brushes. The paint went on smoothly, and the color matched perfectly since I used the same paint as my walls. The pens are also easy to clean, just rinse the brush tip under water, and you're good to go for the next use. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. This set is designed to handle all your DIY needs with power and precision. The drill driver boasts a 3/8 chuck and 11-position clutch for perfect screw driving. Its LED light illuminates your workspace, making it ideal for any project. Effortlessly cut through lumber with the compact circular saw. Its high-torque motor and tool-free adjustments make DIY projects a breeze. The included work light provides up to 11 hours of illumination. Keep your projects going without interruption, even in dimly lit areas. With 2 included batteries, you'll enjoy double the runtime. This means less downtime and more productivity on your larger projects. This kit is part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max lithium-ion battery system. Enjoy compatibility and convenience across your power tools. What we like. Looking to equip your home workshop with essential power tools? This comprehensive kit gives you a drill driver, circular saw, and work light, all powered by a versatile 20V battery system. With 2 batteries, you'll minimize downtime on your projects. If you're a DIY enthusiast ready to tackle a variety of home improvement tasks, this set offers great value and convenience. What people say. This drill has a powerful motor that makes quick work of tough jobs. The ergonomic design of the hammer makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The included carrying case is sturdy and keeps all the tools organized. Number 1. VARSK Contour Gauge Tool with Lock. Introducing the VARSK Contour Gauge, the upgraded tool designed to make duplicating irregular shapes a breeze. Perfect for woodworking, flooring, and all your DIY projects. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply copy the shape, lock it in place, and trace it. You'll achieve accurate measurements every time, whether you're an amateur or a professional. Our contour gauge features adjustable tightness and dual-sided scales in both inches and centimeters. This ensures a perfect fit and easy recording of your measurements. Unlike others, this tool boasts an upgraded metal lock mechanism for long-term durability. It securely holds the shape, guaranteeing accurate duplication. Crafted with a heavy-duty aluminum core and ABS plastic pins, it won't scratch surfaces. It's a reusable measuring tool and makes a fantastic gift for the handyman in your life. Looking for a unique gift? This cool gadget is ideal for dad, your husband, or any man who loves DIY and woodworking. It comes in a nice gift box, ready to impress. What we like. Need to perfectly replicate complex shapes for flooring or woodworking? This contour gauge features a durable metal lock to hold your shape precisely, and adjustable tightness for smooth operation. It's lightweight and easy to use, even for beginners. If you're a DIYer or handyman working on projects that require accurate cutting and fitting of irregular shapes, this tool will save you time and frustration. What people say. This tool does exactly as described and keeps the guesswork out of those projects that require different angles and curves. This product is a definite time saver and material saver when it comes to home remodels. It is very easy to use as well. Simply push it into the space, lock, and trace it onto your material. It worked great around pipes and corner moldings as we completed our latest home renovation. No more guessing eyeballing, our cuts turned out great and the material fit snug thanks to this. I recently used the VARSK contour gauge tool while installing laminate flooring, and it made the process so much easier. This tool is incredibly accurate for capturing the precise shape of edges, corners, and curves, making it perfect for cutting laminate to fit around tricky areas like walls and pipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.